Hey guys, welcome back to the workshop. Just want to talk about one of my little eBay finds. I have just a search on eBay for Bridgeport stuff and South Bend stuff and Delta Rockwell and things I'm interested in, as most of us do. And I just happened across this Bridgeport head. And at first I thought it was part of a Bridgeport cherrying head, and that kind of interested me. But I set a watch marker on it on eBay, and um, I watched this thing for weeks and weeks, and nobody took a crack at it. Nobody bought it. I think it was $200 maybe with free shipping. It was from New Mexico. I'm in New Jersey, by the way, so New Mexico being right across, far across the country, it's I found it interesting that the guy was offering free shipping. But in any case, he had it listed for quite a while, and then finally the listing expired, and he didn't sell it. So I think a day or two went by, and I just reached out to him and I said, "Listen, would you take $100 for it?" And I realized you have free shipping, and he says, "Yeah, sure, I'll take 100." He asked me if I knew what it was. I didn't really know what it was. Again, I thought it was part of the cherrying head. So I asked him, I said, would you create like a new auction with a new price, and I'll buy it. So I bought it immediately for $100 shipped. Figured, got nothing to lose. It could be just a piece of wall art if nothing else, if I don't use it for anything. But I did some research and I found out it's a C head. So apparently this was amazingly one of the first Bridgeport milling heads that they came out with, and I don't even think Bridgeport made an actual milling machine at the time. They were using these as attachments for horizontal mills. So I got a couple ideas what I think I might do with it. I might try to search out a used pantograph and made it to a pantograph, so I have an X and Y. I don't know. Maybe add it to a small mini mill, or like I said, just keep it around for a wall art. But I'm not sure. But it would probably take a 1/3 horsepower or 1/2 horsepower motor. I don't know if anybody has parts for this. I think it takes 2 or 3 B collets, which is a pretty odd collet. Not sure. The collets are really expensive. So I don't think I'd go ahead and buy a set of collets. Maybe it's possible that I might have the nose reground. Maybe I can have it reground so I could stick like an ER16 or ER32 or one of those style collets in there. I'm not sure. Or I might, like I said, I might just be able to find like maybe one larger B2 or B3 collet, and then go ahead and put something in there. I'm not sure, like I said, but that's my find of the week. The head looks surprisingly nice for being as old as I think it is. Someone took care of it, put a fresh coat of paint, and someone put a shop. Obviously, it looks like a shop-built attachment to on the that larger circular bolt pattern there for bolting it to something else. And then I'm also missing obviously the motor pulley. I'm hoping that possibly someone might have a M head motor pulley that might fit this. And if not, we're gonna try to fab something up. We have I have a couple Bridgeports here, so I can certainly figure out how to make a motor ring for it and adapt something. Maybe even a DC motor and make it variable speed. And another find I picked up, I actually got it with one of the South Bend Heavy 10 lathes, was this sweet little quick acting vise. It's got nice machined jaws on it, and you just slide it in and pull the lever down. I thought that was a great find too. So so there you have it. I just wanted to do a little odds and end type video for you guys. Not really sure what else you need, what you guys. I've got a million projects going on, but we'll get to them one by one. But I wanted to share that with you, and if anyone has any ideas on a motor or a pulley or collets for this little C Head Bridgeport, please send me an email or shoot me a private message or write something in the comments. So, go out in your shop, have a good time, go enjoy yourself, and make something. And enjoy your 4th of July and have a great weekend. All right, fellas, take care.